So today I thought it was about time we did a full review on Trading212, and the reason why is because in my opinion this is the best investing platform, investing app, whatever you call it, the best platform to be using for your stocks and shares ISA in 2024. And I thought, you know what, let's do a full review. So we're going to take a look at it. If you are not on Trading212, which I know most of you guys that view my videos are on that platform, but if you're not, what you're waiting for, join with the link in the description and you'll get a free share worth up to £100 when you join through that link. And for most of you guys that already use it, maybe this is a good refresher about what Trading212 is doing so well. Now, like I said, in my opinion, it is the best investing platform out there, but don't just take my word for it. Right now on Trustpilot, it is 4.6 stars out of 5, which is a pretty good score because at the end of the day, you only ever go on Trustpilot when you're leaving a bad review. So to be having that good of a score is pretty impressive. But let's do a full review on Trading212. So Trading212 is a fintech company that allows you to access the ability to buy stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities and more. It was founded in 2004 and it currently has 3 million lifetime funded accounts, 4.6 stars on Trustpilot and 3.5 billion in client assets and cash, which is pretty impressive. It also has a big collection of awards with its recent win, with it being the #1 best investing app through Boring Money Awards. Now, first of all, you can get access through Trading212 through most apps through your mobile phone, through the Apple Store or Google Play. But for most of you guys, obviously the Apple Store, it is available through there. And having access to an app on your phone obviously it makes it very easy, because when you're busy day to day, you haven't got much time, obviously the easy thing to do is go on the app and be able to buy and invest through your mobile phone. But some of us guys sometimes like having the desktop version, and with a lot of fintechs nowadays, they only have the app. But the great thing with Trading212 is you are able to go on your laptop, your computer, and also access a desktop version as well. Now, first of all, safety. When you are investing your money, your hard-earned cash that you've been working for, you want your money to be safe. You want to make sure you're investing it with a safe business, and Trading212 is that. It is FCA registered. It also is FSCS protected, meaning £85,000 worth of your money is to be protected if anything was ever to happen with Trading212. However, the likelihood of anything happening to Trading212 is very small because the company is a very profitable company. If you go on company's house, you'll be able to see the company makes a ton of money. So I do not see the company going bankrupt anytime soon, which is really good to know. Now, let's say you've downloaded Trading212 and you've got it on your iPhone, or you've even gone on your desktop and you've set up a Trading212 account, which is very easy to do. The only thing they will ask for is a form of ID to prove it is you that is investing the money under your name. Now, when you access your account and you've signed up, you'll be able to have access to 4 different accounts. One of them is the invest account, the ISA, the CFD and the cash ISA, which is the new thing that they've actually added this year. They're always adding new things into the platform, which is a really good thing about Trading212. So I'll cover all 4 of these very quickly. Invest, that is your normal investing account. So if you buy or sell anything on your invest account, you will be reliable for doing all your capital gains taxes. So just be aware of that, but that's your normal investing account if you want to go buy any stocks, ETFs. You've got your ISA. Now, this is probably worth a separate video, but I'm sure most of you guys are aware. If you are investing, if you're buying stocks and you don't have an ISA, you need to be using your stocks and shares ISA. The big reason why is because that is tax-free. So if you ever go to buy or sell a company and you make money on that investment that you made, you will not have to pay tax on that investment. It's a video for another day at some point, maybe to go in a little bit more detail, but ideally you want to be using your ISA because you don't have to pay tax and you get to keep more money for yourself. So use that 20,000 limit you do get on your ISA. The next thing is the CFDs. Now, in my opinion, you should not be touching the CFDs, especially if you are new to investing or you don't know what they are. They are a big reason why people lose money, and people don't realize what CFDs are, contract for differences. Maybe once again, worth another video on what a CFD is, but you are not actually buying the underlying asset. You're not actually owning the stock when you are buying from a CFD platform. So be careful of that. And last one is the new cash ISA that they have. So if you want to get access to 5.2% interest that is paid daily, rather than what most accounts do, which is either monthly or even yearly. You can put your cash into a cash ISA and get very nice interest. Now, the new 5.2% cash you can earn, you don't just get it in your cash ISA. If you do have cash in your stocks and shares ISA or your invest account, you also get 5.2% on the cash that's held in them accounts as well, which is really good. There's not many investing platforms that will pay you 5.2% on your cash in those investing platforms. Now, as well as that, the cash ISA is also, as far as I am aware at the moment, the best cash ISA and interest available out there as well. So you're getting a very good investing account, but also you're getting a very good interest account payer at the moment by using Trading212. Now, the next important thing that people look at is the fees. The fees are very good. I believe they are the lowest out there for an investing platform at the moment. All trades are put through instantly and it is free commission, meaning that every time you buy or sell a stock, you do not have to pay any commission on buying and selling stock, which is massively different to the legacy businesses that we used to have in this space, like Hargreaves Lansdown, AJ Bell. The fees they used to charge were £5 a trade, £10 a trade. Every time you were buying a stock, it was costing you big amounts of money. Because Trading212 is free, you get to keep more of that money in your back pocket, which is what we all want to do. There is an FX fee of 0.15%, but once again, that's relatively low compared to the market. You are also able to buy fractional shares. So if you can't afford a share for the full price, let's say a stock costs $1,000 and you don't have $1,000 to buy that full share of a business, don't worry, with fractional shares, you are able to buy a half of that stock, a quarter of that stock, whatever you want to do, which is really helpful if you're a new investor and you have smaller amounts of money to be investing. There's also the relatively new feature as well of after hours and pre-market trading. Most of the UK investing platforms at the moment only allow you access during the normal trading hours. With Trading212, you are able to buy in pre-market after hours, basically giving you 24 hours access to the stock market, which is really useful because if you see a opportunity in the market, suddenly maybe a stock has dropped rapidly and you want to get straight in there, you don't have to wait for the market to open. You can get in there right when the drop has happened, which is an amazing addition from Trading212. Now let's have a look at account fees. Account fees can sometimes be the secret commission that sometimes investing platforms do take. There is no ongoing cost for having a Trading212 account. It is free. A deposit is free as well. Make sure if you are putting money on Trading212, you do it through bank transfer. That is free. If you do deposit through a debit card, it is free up to £2,000. After that, you will be charged. So make sure you link it up through bank transfer. That's personally what I do as well. Now let's look at the latest addition into Trading212, which is by far a feature that no other investing app has out there at the moment, which is the Trading212 card. So you are able to go get a debit card from Trading212. You can either have this virtually or you can actually order one physically, which I can't remember how much it is. I believe it's only £3 or £4. For me personally, I like having a physical card in person still, but you don't have to do that. But they have launched a Trading212 card. This will link up with your invest platform on your account and you are able to make purchases through the Trading212 debit account. Now personally for me, I have had no issues with this. Funny enough, the only location I have seen where it doesn't work is actually at the post office. Apart from that, everywhere else it is accepted and it will also connect with your Apple Pay. Now, why do you want a debit card with your investing platform? The debit card gives you some big benefits. Obviously, any cash that you hold on the debit card, you'll gain 5.2% interest on that cash. You'll also get 1.5% cash back until the 1st of October 2024. After that, it is 0.5% cash back. There is a 0.15% FX fee, which is a very good rate for an FX fee. You can have 13 major currencies on that card and there's no subscription fee for all of these features, which is a very competitive rate. Now, the last feature I personally don't use, but I know a few people do like this feature. There was the pies added into Trading212. So you can go onto pies. You can build a purpose-built pie or make your own pie depending on what you're looking for. Or there is community options as well. This will allow you to buy a collection of stocks under one investment amount, and you can either do this regularly, monthly, and it will also tell you the previous returns that you would have had if you did invest into this pie. So if you want more of your own ETF or a custom ETF potentially, this may be something that you do look at potentially buying, and you could buy certain pies that are tailored to maybe clean energy, dividend stocks, electric vehicles, whatever you're looking for. Now personally, that's not a feature that I use, but I know a few people do like the pie feature on Trading212. Now, one feature that people always say to me that they want to see is a SIP come to Trading212. You can get this in other investing platforms, but Trading212 will be bringing this to the platform this year. So that will be a new addition to look forward to in the next 12 months that will be on this list very soon. But overall, you can see here, you are getting a platform that is very secure, very good reviews. The fees are one of, if not the best around. And the features you get with interest on your cash, the card, the cashback, the low fees, it is a very competitive platform. And you'll see it's not just a competitive investing platform, it's all the other features that you get with this platform. This is something that you don't get with the likes of Hargreaves Lansdown or AJ Bell. The features that Trading212 were giving you at the moment, and then also adding even more features in my opinion, is the best investing platform or app to be using right now in 2024. And if you're not using it and you're using something else, what you're waiting for? In my opinion, you should be getting on Trading212. Hope you enjoyed the review into this platform. If you do want to sign up and you think the platform does look attractive, make sure you use the link in the description and you'll get a free share worth up to £100 while you do that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you in a bit.